So we're launching a new collaboration between Reactec and ESS. We're here at Rail Live 2025. It's an exciting collaboration between two companies who really want to do as much as we can to reduce exposure to people in the rail industry. We have some exciting products around wearable technology, and we're delighted to present that here today. One of the benefits of the Reactec solution is its ability to monitor hand-arm vibration, but also to look after your proximity to plant. And if you're dangerously close to vehicles that are moving, and the watch has a capability of telling you if you're entering an exclusion zone, and so if you are and it's unsafe, the watch is going to alarm you and it's on the pedestrian to leave that exclusion zone. So Reactec are using wearable technology for the purpose of monitoring individuals' risks to vibration, to people-plant interface, to dust, etc. All of that data is coming together on a Reactec analytics platform where that data is shared and reported, and you can really track an individual's risk profile. At Reactec we call that leading indicating data. Working with VP and ESS with regards to this particular division is making sense for us because of reaching to certain accounts which Reactec perhaps aren't as strong in, and so it would be a great opportunity to work with businesses who we don't yet work with in the rail industry.
It's great to be here at Rail Live to launch the collaboration between ESS and Reactec. Reactec is a great fit for our business, and we were looking for a proximity collision avoidance system that adds not just collision avoidance but other offerings as well, and the Reactec is a great fit from offering halves, also noise protection and also dust monitoring. We're really excited for the future between ESS and Reactec.